Malayalam cinema lost one of its most powerful and honest voices on 20th December with the passing of actor, screenwriter, and director Srinivasan. He was 69. With a career spanning more than 5 decades, Srinivasan played a defining role in shaping Malayalam cinema by portraying the lives, struggles, and quiet humor of the middle class with rare honesty and depth. Srinivasan passed away at a government Taluk hospital in Tripunithura. Widely respected for his sharp writing and deeply relatable characters, he was a storyteller who could make audiences laugh while gently pushing them to reflect on society and themselves. His work stood out for its simplicity, satire, and emotional truth, earning him a special place in the hearts of viewers. As news of his passing spread, tributes poured in from across the film industry, with colleagues and admirers remembering him as a legend whose influence will be felt for generations. Actor Mohanlal, a long-time collaborator and close friend, shared an emotional tribute that reflected their creative bond. He wrote, "No one else can express the dreams and broken dreams of the middle class like Srini. The characters we created together will last forever, only because of the magic in Srini's writing. Dasan and Vijayan became their own people for every Malayali because of Srini's blessed writing talent. His works were a reflection of society. A beloved person who captured pain in laughter. On screen and in life, we traveled together forever, laughing, having fun, fighting, and getting along like Dasan and Vijayan." Mammootty visited Srinivasan's residence to personally offer his condolences to the family. His son, actor Dulquer Salman, also shared a heartfelt note remembering the late filmmaker. He wrote, "A cinematic legend. One of the greatest contributors to Malayalam cinema. Someone I looked up to as family and also had the privilege to share screen space with. Your light will live on forever, Srini uncle. Prayers and strength to Vimla auntie, Vineet, Dhyan and the whole family." Actor Nivin Pauly paid tribute by calling Srinivasan an irreplaceable presence in Malayalam cinema. "When Sir returns leaving laughter and thoughts, Malayalam cinema is losing an irreplaceable man, dearest Srini sir who guided so many people like me," he wrote. Filmmaker Basil Joseph thanked Srinivasan for the joy he brought to audiences, saying, "Srini sir, thank you for all the laughter and warmth you gave us. You were a big part of our childhood and our happiest memories. You may be gone, but you'll always live on through your work. Rest in peace, legend." Actor Kamal Hassan also shared his condolences, writing, "Some artists entertain, some enlighten, some provoke. Harsh Srinivasan did it all, with a smile that carried truth and a laugh that carried responsibility. My respects to a remarkable mind. Deepest condolences to his family and admirers." Singer K.S. Chitra expressed her sorrow, stating, "I am deeply saddened to hear about Srinivas sir's passing. I was fortunate enough to sing for so many of his movies. My thoughts and prayers are with his family during this difficult time." Though Srinivasan is no longer with us, his stories, laughter, and sharp social commentary will continue to live on through his unforgettable body of work, ensuring his legacy remains an integral part of Malayalam cinema.